This is a great unplug. We are taking time to relax, explore the environment, and learn one or two things, guys. Welcome to the adventure with us. The beginning, guys, on this day I was very sick. I had just come from the hospital, and this was one of the best ways for me to find social support and emotional. Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing nature walk. As you can see, with my family. You are welcome to have fun with us and enjoy the day and learn one or two things. Let's go, guys. I don't just let fun things pass by. I had to do this, guys. With the sick leg. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment what you think about this nature walk.
And she's scary.
And please tell me where you are from. I'd like to know you.
And she's scary of coming back.
I had to start with this, guys. Going up was easy, but coming down was so slippery. That's why I had to remove my shoes. And as you can see, I was limping. One of my legs is sick. I burnt. I was burnt. Let's go, guys.
You see how cool the place looks like? It's so cool.
Prepare to have fun. Learn one or two things. Nature reserve. This is Kenya, for those of you who don't know. Western part of Kenya.
The place looks like.
And this is one of the forests.
This nature walk. The place is
with a lot of indigenous trees. Very beautiful. This is my family.
Scary, but for nature walk, you should enjoy it, yeah?
We decided to take this to unplug. I was not feeling well.
What's this?
This is a campsite, guys. Come and see.
Yeah, this is a
campsite.
Wow.
It's a campsite, guys, as you can see.
Okay.
And a romantic place where couples meet and people meet to have fun.
And also you can bring your loved ones here for romantic places, romantic visits.
Yeah.
You heard that right.
Couples
well,
enjoy
let's go.
the places. Couples will visit this place.
Don't mind me. But on a serious note, kids come here to camp. Oh my goodness. Especially when schools are almost closed, you find most schools here.
Be careful.
Okay.
This place.
We're still going.
I'm so scared of bushes because of bugs and snakes. What?
You can see here it's written nature reserves and picnic.
Yeah, you can see it's written nature reserve. It's a picnic site.
Yeah, this is a picnic site, guys.
Picnic site is ahead, guys, where we are going. But
From
this is a campsite.
Are chilling there.
You can see this couple enjoying themselves. I like walking. It's one of my hobbies. So this gives me social support and emotional lift. This looks like a cave. One of the things I liked about this nature walk, it's so quiet.
I'm scared of nature. I can't walk here alone.
It's so quiet. The air.
Very scared. Guys, see, it looks like a cave.
Yeah, exactly. It looks like a cave. Hey, it's
the
scary,
air is so fresh.
Yeah, very scary.
But if
This
you're a
looks
lover
like
of
a
nature,
cave.
you can enjoy this place very much.
If you're not careful, here your eyes will be popped by thorns. Someone can be hurt.
Oh my God, be careful while walking.
It was so slippery because it had just rained the other night.
Oh my God.
Thorns and thorns.
Oh my goodness, guys, come and see.
The hollow. Guys, look down there.
Where you're going? Hi. my
nephews.
Oh my goodness.
Now going, this is so slippery.
Be
It was,
careful.
Okay.
I was so scared for my foot because my foot was hurting. But it was the best walk. It was the best walk.
But
Because this was supposed to be a bridge. I think
This is the museum river, guys.
they messed up the river trail. That's why I think the water stopped coming.
It's shaking.
Oh my god, she's trembling.
It's very old. The bridge is very old.
You see, that's the museum river. Okay, let me close up.
Guys, did you see that? I almost fell down.
Most people use these places for romantic picnics.
Yes.
Romantic place, romantic
it's a cool place, by the
visiting,
way.
Most of the
kids
things
learning.
are indigenous. If you can see the
You can see the
and
trees,
everything.
guys. Most of these trees are indigenous
I think
trees.
The river is dying. The river is dying. Yeah, most of the people get their medicines from
One thing
these
about
trees,
I
guys.
like about
They
this,
get medicines from most of these trees.
but they
The
messed
herbal
up.
men.
The river is drying.
The herbalist.
Herbalists get medicines.
Wish there's something we can do about it.
It's drying, by the way. But
See, the river is drying.
Guys, I think the river is dying. You can see. But be careful. If it rains, it's very slippery. But I think the river is because of this soil. The soil is covering
What do you think? Comment down below. Is this supposed to be like this little water? One thing I liked about this is the adrenaline.
She's
How do I
enjoying
say
the
it?
walk, huh?
Adrenaline. Ah,
Come have fun.
one of my best hobbies. Finally, the picnic site. Now, guys, this is the picnic site. You can see there are two ways. You can opt to go back to the museum, or you continue with the trail. So we had to stop here at the picnic
You can see
site for
this
pictures,
was a bridge.
planning. The bridge is so old.
Yeah, they said that's the end of the museum there. So if you come with your family, you want to eat something, you want to like take pictures, you come here, you sit around with your family, you talk, you have fun, then after that you still follow the road. It will take you back to the museum.
So I had to go up on this slippery tree. Going up was
Be
so
careful.
easy, but coming down, guys, I was scared for my foot to start with. Second, it was slippery.
And she's scary.
It's not an
She's
excuse,
just
it
gone
was so
up.
slippery.
And she's scary.
So I had to
coming
remove
back.
my shoes.
She has even removed her shoes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You
This
see,
is my mom, guys.
Granny,
I love her so
she's
much.
there.
So we opted to continue with the trail instead of going back. We continued with the trail to see
You had from my sister.
what lies ahead.
Oi. Let's be
I wanted to
careful.
see the
She
end
don't
of the
fall.
trail. What is them? And the other thing they told us, monkeys resides here, birds. So I wanted to see everything. I wanted to see everything.
The rivers are formed from here.
It could have been more beautiful if this river was alive. Guys, I think we need to do something. I'm always
We need to do
curious.
something
to bring
so
back
green,
this
guys.
river.
You can see.
See, they left garbage. See
soil
all this,
erosion
the
has caused
garbage,
the river to block
soil erosion, everything. They carried the river away. so green and beautiful. The nature is so good. God blessed us with a very beautiful nature everywhere in the world. But the problem with mankind, the choices they make is wrong. They destroy the habitat. They destroy the nature. Everyone had
Here
to
without
bend.
bending you can't pass.
To find the, everyone had to bend
See,
to go to
everyone
the other
has
side.
bent. Oh my god. Oh
My goodness. Did you get hurt?
no. Some bamboo.
This is bamboo tree. I thought we would find a lot of bamboo trees here. I don't know how they've destroyed the bamboo trees. My sister. That's my sister, guys. I'm so proud of her. Yes, the last born. People have made this a dumping site, which is not good. People are not taking care of nature. So let's continue, guys. My mom was stuck.
Hey, some things are
My mom was
her
stuck.
clothes.
It's called guamaring in Swahili.
Without being careful.
So we had to bend again.
Oh my god.
Monkeys are supposed to be here. We haven't seen any. I hope we see them before we end the trail. Yeah, you can see this is a place for birds and monkeys. You come here to watch them. We haven't seen any. But can break. But we found a lot of bees. Could they be the reason the monkeys ran away?
No.
The fresh air. I loved the fresh air. Salute to this tour guide. He was the best. There's another staircase here to heaven. This guy did a very good job of showing us around. The stairways to heaven, as I call it. You can see the staircase to heaven.
Yeah, you can see me, I'm already tired. Why?
See, I was limping. My right foot was sick.
I think I've lost 10 kg. 10 kg.
You have a problem. That's true.
There's no monkey.
Of monkeys?
Another stairs. One thing about this trail, I found so many stairs and bridges. So many stairs and bridges, but they were good. A good exercise. That's a wild banana. Guys, this is supposed to be monkey's food. You see these bananas, these banana stalls, they are monkey's food. You can see them, they are monkey's food.
This is food for monkeys.
The monkeys feed on that.
Another stairways to heaven.
Oh my god, we ain't reaching back to where we started from.
Another stairs again. We are almost over with our trail.
Yeah, but
Thank God we didn't fall down, though it was slippery. We enjoyed the trip.
Yeah.
This is my mom and my family, guys.
I don't know where
I had
the
to bring
monkeys
them
have
on
gone.
this one. My mom was so happy with
This
this.
one, my granny.
Where are the monkeys?
Firstborn and lastborn. Yes, where are the monkeys? Thank you guys for watching this video. And just when we were about to call it a day, we saw monkeys hanging on the trees, guys. See, if you can look closer on the trees. But they are hiding. They are so, you can see here. There is a monkey here. If you can see, look closely, there's a this one. Yes, this one. It's the one jumping. You can see them. There are so many on this tree. There are so many jumping around. Finally, we got to see the monkeys. You see, they are jumping around. There are so many jumping around. Thank you guys for coming along with us and on this trail. It means so much to me. And if you didn't watch the previous vlog, kindly go and watch the giant African python vlog. Kindly comment on this video what you think. Share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Stay blessed. I love you guys.